Hi, Steve, WhichStuffFixit.com. What we're doing today is we have a glass block window that was broke out. We couldn't find a matching block window, so what we did is went and found a vent window, and that'll open from the inside to let air in or out. And we couldn't find a fluted window like the rest of these. So what we did is we just broke the bottom one out, and the top one was broken, and then we put this in there, and it doesn't look like it's been just kind of glued together. So I just thought that was a good little tip if you're ever in a situation like that, or you need to put these type of vents in a bathroom window when you have put in a block window. So just thought I would share that with you. For more tips and hints and videos, for sure, go to Which Stuff Fix It on YouTube or follow us on Facebook, and there's just a ton of videos out there. And comment and ask questions, I'll certainly answer them. Thank you.